143. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat.
The puppet. 1. Geppetto is sad. He doesn't have a boy, but he can make a puppet. 2. Look at his eyes. Look at his mouth. The puppet can talk.
Hello, I'm Pinocchio.
3. Pinocchio is lively. He can walk and run.
Look at me. Look at me. Can you see? I can walk. I can talk. I look like a toy, but I'm a B-O-Y boy.
4. Pinocchio lies. Look at his big nose.
I'm not a puppet, Dad. I'm a boy.
You aren't a boy. You're a puppet.
Oh.
5. The fairy isn't happy.
Be good. Don't lie.
I'm sorry.
6. Pinocchio is good. He helps in the house.
I can help.
7. Can you see the fairy? Now Pinocchio is a boy.
You are a good puppet. 1, 2, 3. Now you are a good boy. 1, 2, 3. Fiddle-dee-dee. Listen to me. Puppet to boy. 1, 2, 3.
8. Geppetto and Pinocchio are happy. The cat and fish are happy too.
Look at me, Dad. I'm a boy.
My boy! I love my boy!
Look at me. Can you see? I can walk. I can talk. I look like a boy. And I am a B-O-Y boy.